Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change iPhone notification sound for different apps. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Settings, then scroll down. Now tap Notification. Now find out that app that you want to set different notification sounds. Here you will see a list of all apps installed on your iPhone. After selecting app, make sure that Allow Notification is enabled. Unfortunately, I have an older version of iPhone and my phone software is not updated, so this feature is not available on my iPhone. But if you are using iOS 16 or 17, then on this page you will see many options. Now select Sounds. This will show you all the available sounds that you might have, so choose the one that you like the most, so you can do the same process for every app. Select the app now, set your preferable notification. After that, you will hear the new sounds on your iPhone every time you receive any notification. So that's how you can set different notification sounds on your iPhone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.